How to use a grid on Krita. This can be really satisfied, which is can be really important with this kind of the progress or groups, that it can be really important to deal with it as soon as possible. Really to be about right that to view and click on choose grid. Now we have to start to know that is possibly for settings, configure Krita, and then start to show for grid. And I don't think so that the grid can be really appearing right here, but this can be instantly to go for general and finding the grid option. Maybe this can be really hilarious, but okay. So we have to start find it as soon as possible, which is really to be countering on that. And okay, this can be really something is not amazing, but you know what, you're gonna start to go for the grid, right click, and okay, you know, actually you go for changing the grid options. I don't think that the grid has some kind of options, on my opinion, on my version, because I have still some ways that is really not available on my old version, I think. And you may find it on your version, which is really new, and that is all about